Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Honda CRV starter. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. Next, gather your essential tools, including a ratchet, various sockets, and wrenches. Always ensure your vehicle is securely supported on a level surface before beginning any work. This preparation is crucial for a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's locate the starter motor, which is typically found on the engine block, often near the transmission. Carefully disconnect the main power cable and the smaller solenoid wire from the starter. These connections are usually secured with nuts. Once the wiring is detached, proceed to remove the 2 or 3 mounting bolts that hold the starter in place. This will allow you to pull the old unit out. With the old starter removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new starter motor into its designated housing, ensuring it aligns correctly. Insert the mounting bolts and hand tighten them initially to prevent cross-threading. Once snug, use your wrench to fully tighten them to the manufacturer's specifications. Finally, reconnect the main power cable and the solenoid wire, making sure all connections are secure. For the final steps, reconnect the negative battery terminal to restore power to your vehicle. Before starting the engine, double-check all connections to ensure they are tight and secure. Now, turn the key to start the engine. Listen carefully for the new starter to engage smoothly and for the engine to crank and start properly. If everything sounds good, you've successfully replaced your Honda CRV starter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.